some magic questions. It is very shortcut. Take the question here, just like one trick. A good trick. Square root of a plus 2 into square root of b. That is equal to root x plus root y. किपरि हला देखो. A is the x plus y and b is the x into y. b टा भी एमती हमें देखिबा ए द फैक्टर करिबा ए दुटा फैक्टर मींस x गुटे फैक्टर y गुटे फैक्टर हेतिबो एवं सेही दुटा फैक्टर सम टा a हेतिबो तेबे जाय कि स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ y. Very interesting concept. That is, you take one example. Just like you think about the question, that is equal to here 2, here that is 15. Here that is equal to 8. The root of means what? This is suppose 3 plus 5. This is 3 into 5. So here 3 is x and here 5 is y. Simple, the funda comes, that is root 3 plus root 5. It is an interesting trick. बहुत सहज. Very much interesting. So that's why you can do very well. Next. Another example you can say. Suppose that is equal to 2 is necessary here. 2. Then this is equal to, suppose 56. That is equal to 7 into 8. Now this is 15. What the value comes here? Jadi 15 plus 2 into 56 एमती देइछि. तेबे हमें लिखि परिबा तार वैल्यू डायरेक्टली √7 प्लस √8. मैं डायरेक्टली लिखि परिबा √7 प्लस √8. You take also 5 plus 2 √6. 6 means 2 into 3 and 5 means 2 plus 5. According to this formula, x is equal to ketna 2, y is equal to that is 3. So that value comes that is equal to √2 plus √3. Just like very interesting. You think about the calculator. You also take the calculator, you calculate it, then what the result will come. Exactly left hand is equal to right hand. Calculator रे जदि हमें चेक करिवा सेम रिजल्ट आसीबो. लेफ्ट साइड रे एवं राइट साइड रे समान रिजल्ट आसीबो. This is one trick. Then I will tell another trick also. Take the format. This is the square root of a plus 2 root b plus 2 root c plus 2 root d. Then you factorize, this is x and y factorization. Another, this is y into z. This is z into x. In this way, if the pattern follows, एइबोली भाबरे जदि से रोहे b टा x into y, c टा y into z, d टा z into x, एवं सही समय रे a रो value x plus y plus z होथबो. In that time a value is equal to x plus y plus z होगा, तो तब रिजल्ट आएगा √x, √y, √z. This is a very much interesting question. Now you can take an example. You can take example, just like this is equal to, suppose, 10 plus 2 root 6 plus 2. This is equal to 2 into 3. This is 2 into 15, means 3 and 5. This is equal to 2 into 10, means 5 into 2. So that's why here 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is equal to 10. Means here 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2x, 3y, then y. This is z, this is z, this is x. Then ये हला 2 टा होची x, 3 टा हला y. सेमती 3 टा हला y, ये हला 3 और 5 रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ये हला 2 और 5 रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तेबे वैल्यू कोन हबो ना, वैल्यू एग्जैक्टली हबो √2 प्लस √3 प्लस √5. You can test your result in calculator also. You take the scientific calculator, you check it. But the left side, the value is equal to right side or value. Guaranteed it is equal. So this is the interesting question. Very much interesting question. You take the question, another question. 59 plus 2 root 35 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 14 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना होगा? यार स्क्वायर रूट कहते हैं हमें वर्तमान देखिबा. You can take that is equal to 7 into 5. This is equal to 5 into 2. This is equal to 2 into 7. So x eta, y eta. This is y, this is z, this is z. So its sum is equal to what the sum value? Its sum is equal to, this is not a 59, this is a 14. Because 7, this is x, this is x, this is y, this is y, this is z, this is z, this is x. Then x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z कहते ना 14. It 14 हवा दरकार. It is the 14 है गला. If there is a value 14, then what the result come according to the formula? The result come, what result? That is equal to √7. A result कौन आसा? √7, √5, √2. √7, √5, √2. This is a very much interesting question. You can take another example. You can take another example also. Square root of 18 plus 2 into √14 plus 2 into √63 plus 2 into √18. That means here 14 is equal to also 2 into 7. 63 is equal to 7 into 9. 18 is equal to 9 into 2. That is x, this is y, this is y, this is z, this is z, this is x. So that is x plus y plus z. माने that means 2 plus 7 plus 9. ता माने ये हला सम हला 18. ता वैल्यू ता माने कहते अब that value comes 2 root over plus 7 root over plus 9 root over. This is the exact value. Compare this value in calculator and give the comments. This is interesting question. Now comes to another formula. You can take another trick. That is on the cube root. Cube root of a plus b root c. If this type of question will come, then what the result comes? Root over of b minus c by 3 plus root over of c. Then what the concept is here? This value is equal to sum of b plus c value. This is sum of these. The trick is there. You can say also by taking another example, whether it is right or not. Example, that is equal to cube root 7 plus 5 root 2. This is the cube root. Here a is equal to 7, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 2. That means 7 is equal to 5 plus 2. That is right. B plus C sum. So according to that, you have to do that the result comes 5p minus c. C value kitna? Na c value 2 by 3 का root over plus root over 2. ये केमती हबो देखो जदि 7 ता 5 plus 2 माने b plus c हला b एटा c एटा ए फॉर्मूला कहूची b minus c by 3 plus c ର root over. That means the value come, this is equal to 1, this is equal to root 2. Value is 1 plus root 2 is the result. This is simple question. But चुटकी में हो गया. बहुत जल्दी हे पारुछि जदि ए भली टेक्निकली क्वेश्चन आसे हमें करि परिबा. Within fraction of a time we can calculate square root, cube root, whatever. This type of format question will come. This type of question will come basically NDA, Airforce, in technical apprentice. This type of question will come. Just like also come in that is BPI, Olympiad, okay, NTSC, different type of this type of question will come. Also different, but similar type of question will come in this category. Now you take another question. That question, cube root of 8 plus 5 root 3. Now you check it whether this is B, this is C. Ebe check koreta B eta C. So that's why 8 is equal to B plus C. Tebe eta B plus C result hoji. Ta mane eta 5 plus 3. So that a result will come for, that is 5p minus 3 by 3 root over plus root 3. Means you can say 2 by 3 ka root over is plus root 3. So exactly the value comes, that is a 2.55. You have to check whether this left side is equal to right side or not. You take the calculator and test it whether this value will come or not. तमे calculator नियो एवं check करो left side हबो कि नहीं. This is a very tricky question. This is type of a cube root type of question. It's a very tricky question. Sometimes the cube root type of question also, some fraction value also changes. So different type of question we'll discuss on next video. If you are interested, give the comments and watch the video regularly, and you get more and more tricky question will come. In it is a, you can feel that is a that is a competitive level, or it is basic level, that is a +2, +3, whatever level question will come. This is very interesting question. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll discuss in next video. Please share and like. Please subscribe my channel or see the next.